welcome to What Are We Playing? The imaginary game show where we play games and take names. Today, we'll be playing 3 games. Beanbag Toss, a nature trivia, and Tiptoe and Freeze. I'm your host, Malia. Let's meet our contestants. Contestant number 1, Alexander. Alexander loves to ride a scooter. His favorite color is gold, and he enjoys a daily serving of carrots, just like Sven. Welcome, Alexander.
Hello, everyone. Thank you for having me today. I've always wanted to be a contestant on the show. And here I am. Can I give a shout out to my mom? I hope she's watching.
Absolutely.
Hi, Mom. Look where I am.
And please give a warm welcome to contestant number 2, Morgan. Morgan loves to build snowmen. Her favorite dance is the shakeout. And she would love to play hide and seek with Marshmallow?
Yeah, I totally think I can beat him in hide and seek. Where can he really hide?
You've got a point there. Welcome, Morgan.
I'm ready to play. You ready, Alexander? I'm ready.
Well, you heard what they said. It's time to start the game, folks. For this game, we're going to be playing Beanbag Toss. All you have to do is throw the beanbags into one of the holes. Each hole is worth a certain amount of points. If you have the most points by the end of the game, you're the winner. All right, are we ready?
Ready!
Whoever has the most points at the end of the game wins!
Let's go!
All right, contestant number 1, are you ready?
Ready.
Go! Ooh, so close. 20 points. 40 points. 30 points. Go, 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 go. Hop on one leg and shoot. 30 points.
Let's go, woo!
Try again. 10 points. Come on, Alexander. Now turn around and shoot from your shoulder.
You got this, come on!
Try again.
You got this, Alexander.
Oh, you got this. Try again.
Yay!
30 points.
Let's go, you got this, Alexander. Come on.
Now, you're gonna spin around and use your opposite hand.
Woo! You got this.
20 points.
Great job.
Try again.
Good job,
You got this.
Let's go.
Yay! Great job, Alexander. Now, contestant number 2, let's see what you can do. And go. Try again. 50 points. Woo! 10 points. Whoopsies. Go, go, go. Grab them all.
You got this.
This time, you need to hop on one leg while throwing it. 20 points.
You got this.
Go again. 10 points.
Come on, you got it.
Try again. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Now this time, you're gonna turn around and throw it over your shoulder.
You got it.
Try again, you got this.
Come on.
Try again. Oh, pick it up, let's go. All you have to do is spin around in a circle and throw it with your opposite hands.
Oh my gosh.
Try again. You got this, Morgan. 10 points. Try again.
Okay.
Got this. All right, let's get them all and go back to the start. Good job. The winner of this round is, drum roll please, contestant number 1, Alexander. Congratulations.
Great job.
How's everyone feeling?
I'm having a great time. I love playing games with my friends. Yeah, this was a great idea.
I'm glad everyone is having an amazing time. This game will test your balance along with your quickness.
Huh?
This game is called heel, toe, and freeze. You'll put your heel in front of your toe and repeat that until you make it to me.
Easy peasy.
But when I say freeze, you guys have to stop in your tracks. Because if I get you moving, you have to go all the way back to the start. Got it?
Got it.
Heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, freeze. Heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, freeze. Heel, toe, freeze. Heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, freeze. Heel, toe, freeze. Better luck next time. Heel, toe, freeze. Heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, freeze. Heel, toe, freeze. Heel, toe, heel, toe, freeze. Heel, toe, heel, toe. Congratulations, Morgan!
We got it! Yeah!
Go, Morgan! The winner of this round is Morgan! Woo! Morgan, you're the tip-top, tiptoe traveler! Woo! We're going to be doing a little trivia about nature.
Oh yeah, my favorite!
What do you love about nature?
I love animals because they could be so cute, cool, strong, and fierce.
I love animals too. What about you, Morgan?
I love going outside and bird watching with my grandma. I have a bird book and binoculars.
Bird watching is so much fun.
Definitely.
Are you guys ready to test your knowledge about nature?
Of course I am.
You'll have 5 seconds to answer each question. All right, it's question time. How does a plant grow? Contestant number 2.
Sun, water, and a seed.
Contestant number 1.
Sun, water, and soil.
Correct. How is snow formed? Contestant number 1.
First, it's a cloud, and then the water turns into make a snowflake.
Correct. What color are a reindeer's eyes in summer?
Brown.
That's correct. Gold brown. And the winner of this round is contestant number 1, Alexander!
Great job, Alexander!
Alexander! Alexander, you really know your facts about nature. You're a natural. And to crown the winner of today's episode of What Are You Playing? Well, not an actual crown, but you know what I mean. The winner of today's episode won a total of 2 games. Congratulations, Alexander!
Great job!
And here is your prize.
Wow, we'll branch. I will cherish this forever.
Well, that's all the time we have today. Thank you so much for joining us on today's episode of What Are We Playing? I'm your host, Malia, contestant number 1. Have anything to say?
And don't forget, nature is yours to discover. I'm Alexander.
Contestant number 2. Have anything to add?
Yeah, discover your nature. I'm Morgan. Hey, I just said that.
Thank you so much for playing with us. I'll see you next time. Bye!